Hello, my dear students. Today we will discuss very important system of our body. The system name is human excretory system. So in this system, first of all, we discuss about the function of human excretory system. The function of human excretory system to be removal of waste material throughout the body. So this system play a very important role in our body. If waste material is not able to remove from our body, there is not possible to be proper functioning of other organ systems present in our body. So that's why this human excretory system play a very important role to filter our blood and to be removal of waste material throughout the body. Now we discuss about the parts of human excretory system. It consists of two kidneys on the base of where it is present, left side or right side. Means if it is present left side, then left kidney, and if it is present in right side, then right kidney. So these kidneys play a very important role because it helps to be production of waste material and filter out the blood from to our body. So this kidney helps to be filter out the blood and remove the waste material present in our blood. And after this functioning of kidneys, you have two ureters present in both side. This ureter functions to be pass out this waste material from kidneys to urinary bladder. So this is the function of ureter. It is tube like structure which helps to be pass out the waste material from kidneys to ureter or urinary bladder. So it is the medium between kidneys and urinary bladder. After this, urinary bladder is helped to be temporary storage of waste material for 2 or 3 hours. Okay, so this is a sac like structure help to be temporary storage of urine in our body. So it's also play a very important role. That's why we are first when we feel pressure of urine, then only we remove this urine from our body, and temporary storage for 2 or 3 hours of this urine is be done by urinary bladder. And after this, from where it is be passed out from our body? With the help of urethra. So this urethra is the area where the urine pass out from our body. So this excretory system consists of these four main parts. First one is kidney, second one is ureter, third one is urinary bladder, fourth one is urethra, and this urinary opening means from which place it is be gone out from the body. So I repeats once again, kidneys from filter out the blood, okay, and it helps to be collection of waste material from the body. Two kidneys present in our body and the kidney shape is bean shape. Okay, from this kidney this waste material goes to the ureter, and it is a medium between kidneys and urinary bladder, and it pass out this waste material from kidneys to urinary bladder through the ureter, and the urinary bladder work to be temporary storage of urine for 2 or 3 hours. Then the urethra function to be removal of this waste material from our body through the urinary opening. I hope you all will understand this system in a good manner. Thank you.